I'm Dr. Larry Edwards, the director of the Internal Medicine Residency Program at the University of Florida. The University of Florida is in Gainesville, Florida, and is one of the top 8 public universities in the United States. The residency program in medicine at the University of Florida is truly one of the premier training programs in the Southeast United States. The teaching facilities at the University of Florida include the Tertiary Referral Center for UF Health Shan system that has over 1,000 inpatient beds. We also practice out of the Malcolm Randall VA Medical Center, which has almost 250 beds. Both of these are state-of-the-art facilities which give incredibly wonderful inpatient experiences to all of our trainees. I encourage you to come to Gainesville and see what a wonderful environment this is, both for medical training and what a wonderful part of the state of Florida it's located in.
UF is the place you want to be if you value quality and you seek growth through challenge in a collegial environment, through leadership opportunities, and through a diversity of clinical experiences. Our program emphasizes quality in patient care and in the residency training experience. That's done through education-based initiatives such as the Quality Improvement Curriculum and through resident-run committees, which we call Gator Councils, whose focus is to continually innovate in the areas of quality and efficiency, in house staff education, and in wellness preservation. And at UF, we're a team from start to finish. We grow through a challenging but exciting diversity of clinical experiences. In the ICU and on the wards, we see patients from all over the state of Florida who come here to be seen by leaders and innovators at Florida's premier academic center. And in state-of-the-art facilities, we train in resident-oriented specialty services, including cardiology, hematology-oncology, and gastroenterology. And here we also have the opportunity to really take ownership of our patients and form lasting connections in resident primary care clinics.
The reason I chose UF is because in choosing my residency and to continue my medical education, I wanted to go to a place that offered me exposure to the possibilities of treating a wide range of diseases and pathologies in patients. As the flagship institution of our state and also an institution that offers a wide range of specialties and subspecialties, UF was unique in that aspect where I was exposed to these patients.
So the transition into residence is a really tough one because you're coming out as a student, now you're a doctor and you're making decisions, and that can be a little intimidating. But with all the support I got here at UF from my fellow residents and the faculty, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it was actually a really fulfilling experience that I felt like I grew a lot. And I think a lot of it was because of the atmosphere and the people I was surrounded with. Over the past year, I felt like my coworkers became a second family.
Everyone here is really supportive. There's lots of camaraderie, and it's a very collegial environment. And I feel like it really stems from the program administration, from the program director, our program staff, our chief residents.
I think that everybody should come to the University of Florida just to be a part of the Gator Nation. You're surrounded by people of different ages from kind of all over the world, and it really is an exciting environment to be in. Along with that, the Gator sporting events are really fun. Gator football season is probably my favorite time of the year.
What I love most about Gainesville is that it's a livable and affordable city. Whether you're single or you have a family like myself, there's always something to do. And usually it's either free, something outdoorsy, or there's small concerts or small get-togethers and at minimal costs.
There's lots of state parks. There's some springs like Blue Springs, Ginny Springs, where you can go tubing and barbecue, and also different lakes too, like Lake Wagwer being a big one, right by the university, where you can kind of just kick back, relax, play volleyball or go canoeing.
My favorite thing about UF Health is simply waking up every morning excited and enthused, going to a work environment that I love, being surrounded by people that I genuinely enjoy being around.
There's no place I'd rather be. Go Gators.